guys, so today I'm going to be chugging this carbonated drink. It's a Mountain Dew, and I'm going to see if I can burp or not, okay?
Wow, guys. This is amazing.
Okay.
Did you finish it?
Mm-hmm. No.
He finished
Half of it.
half of it, guys.
I'm going to do a little more sips.
Okay, just like 5 more sips. You're gonna get sick if you do more, probably.
Bro. Ow. That's it, guys.
Leave a like and subscribe.
Hey,
Bye.
hey, wait. I didn't burp yet. We need to wait for like 5 minutes, maybe.
Okay. Wait, no.
God, it's coming.
Everybody has to burp.
I think I'm good.
Okay.
I don't know. Give me a sec.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8,
I feel better.
7,
I feel good.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.